Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hayi uphinda nayo kwashuda yeli. Futhi sathi nje novinhlavu ithi everyone was shocked. Mampela nayo busy Mbali on the other end. Usanele nayo uthi imbali everyone is imbali uphinde ukhipha amehlo mangaka. Uthi uzama ubesanele. Khuluma wena Mbali. Umtshele ukuthi right. Uyasho Mbali uthi I'm fine. Uthi uzama yena wesanele. Engazi ukuthi sibamba sicisha ne. Ngadlali ngami. Don't play with me. Yangizwani? Because this one, the next one, going straight. La ngifuna kusiye khona, so don't play with me. Hawu bangazithasha bami ifoni. Athi we mfana kaMagwaza. Ngiyazi ukuthi udlala ngami lapha. Ingalo yomthetho will not allow. Ingalo yomthetho will not allow that you be told what to do. Ngiyazi ukuthi unfreezing the account it's impossible. Buka ke nyalo sengizela neplan ensha brand new plan. Ngifuna u5 meter yazini. Ngifuna u5 meter ukuhlanganisele wona une 24 hours otherwise or else sizomugabelela abe mahliphu. Umkakho when she comes back to you kuzoba immense. Usho ntanzi njalo. So now usanele siconfuse ngithola inkosi yami imali engaka. Even noma siyazama ukuhlanganisa. Kodwa the community members, isonto, the school, uthandiwe umakoti wababudladla inkosi yami yazamlele kangaka ubabudladla. He knew ukuthi you know what, we get the right one here. Naye wathi stack semali, the community wathi stack semali. Usanele sold the business yakubo. And uthola cash u3 million. Bahlanganisele yazini umpangazethe wathi mathi phone call. Bathi imali yakhe right wibaba. Money is fine. What's the time, place? Nje to get my man. What was I was like, and I need to hear if my belly is still there. Mbali uthi ngiyakuthanda Sanele. Usanele athi Mbali ngiyakuthanda nami. Sanibona. So Uzama didn't harm Mbali in any way. She just was like, ngashaya imireni kodwa uphinda was shocked ukuthi kodwa uphinde is the only one who knows ukuthi uMbali akasaphilile na yedwana. Bayidouble. One trouble, double trouble. You understand? And I was shocked. But Uzama told Usanele ukuthi yazini the next one will go straight. Umpangazitha took over. I was like, imali mfana ngifuna la. And remember I said that if they cannot get imali from the account cannot be unfreezed by the magistrate. Sure, because they're going for the money kaMagwaza. And that's what Umpangazitha said. That's what Umpangazitha went straight for. Imali kaMagwaza. And remember that money is supposed to help and pay my fees. Walungelo. Lungelo is a school win. Bathembisene nesibalo wakhe. Bathembisene nesibalo wakhe ukuthi you know what ngiyosiza nami with anything and everything that you need. Ngizoba nje. Manje nyalo umpangazitha uthini 5 meter mfana 5 meter should come together and then uyamthola unkosikazi wakho ayitholephi na. And I wish bank would allow you to come and withdraw 5 meter nje kusenje ngifike ebank nje hayi nkosi yami. They want to know ukuthi and why where the reasons needed to nje it's your man kodwa nje like a lot needs to happen before they can allow you to get to 5 meter esandleni sakho. Uphinda gave Umbali kudla kodwa uMbali wazake ephinda nje vele uzobavumile bangilokazanele uphinda uthi wena dlani kudla kwakho no wephinda even though you know ukuthi it's not for me and she didn't want to eat and uphinda uthi uyakhohlwa kodwa ngitshela ekuthini awusadleli wena wedwa even if when you don't want to eat but there's someone else there that needs you to eat so that naye azokhona ukusurvive so eat if it's not for you for that little person inside you yabo uphinda kancane uyavela we guys ukuthi uma wakhe was telling the truth uphinda kancane uyavela uthi Uzama uthi Umbali kuphinda uzovuma yini uphinda uthi ngibona ngathi ngidinga kubo bonke nje think that I'm the weak one. Ngizokushutha. Ngizokude uphula begela uthena no Phinda. I'm just saying that I can see in your eyes ukuthi this is not who you are. I can see the way you are ukuthi lento is like it's eating you from inside yabo. So that's why I'm asking ukuthi uzoyivumela yini into enje to happen to me. And makwami namakwakhe they are friends. Uphinde waba furious wathi hey hayi ngalelo gama nje whoa wait a minute I think uphinda still blames Faith thinking that this is all Faith's fault la bakhona manje at the stage empilweni yabo it's Faith's fault kodwa kanjani how is it Faith's fault ukuthi babe la because ngibo nje laba bayenza everything all along ngibo nje who were doing all these things and yena calling himself a prosecutor ukhona umzali ongavumela leyo nto right in front of their eyes ungabi nenkinga nje usho njalo uMamFethu asephinda what kind of an animal are you uthi you can just shoot someone njena cathi ungena endlini ugeza izandla udle kuthiwa yini mara Nkosi yami phinda ukudle Jehova umbala vela wayidlela yabona ukuthi yo Nkosi yami this is beyond and above and uSanele was like you know what thina accounted we have 1.2 million that is not enough not even close uNtanzi would not vuma for that one. Usanele thinks that selling business yabo is the last resort kodwa ubaba omncane nokwanda they feel differently uthi kodwa sizoyenza kanjani ke we guys if we don't do this sizoyenza kanjani baba omncane wathi you know what yenza lofuna kona mfana sesizobona ukuthi what's going to happen after that yabo that's okay sell it we are selling it lewafika yazini umdlalosi to buy ikhampani yakamagwaza with everything uSanele they will start from scratch kodwa njena this company has like a lot of history kuyona ubaba was the one who started eating uMakhomala naye ebambile uPanele naye ebambile uSanele manje selling it yabona to the highest bidder so they manage umdlalo was like yo le mali lo ifuna kona ingahle buhwasha izinto zasemkhwaceleni yayibona nje ikhuluma yenza sense and who's going to give me that amount of money manje icash and I'm not signing anything emagwaza why ngathi ufuna ukungishaya inhloko uSanele uthi you know what me and my family are facing something dangerous the situation this one is between kufa nokuphila so I'm not gonna play you I just need this thing done today and ish yazini banegotiate wathi okay cash lo ngamhlanganisa mina for today is 3 kodwa nje yabo ngathi magwaza no you know what akunankinga uThandiwe naye was like hey wena lethu why didn't you tell me that Mbali something happened was you I didn't want to stress you with the baby and everything bukela manje ukuthi stress kangakanani uThandiwe was like you know what because boma ransom boma what here is the man uThulethe akayifuni mina ngazi uThulethe uthi akayifuni njani imali how is not want money delethu kanjani because kudingeka amamitha amakhulu kangaka you don't even have 70 million kodwa uthi no to the man uthi Uthando I'm not doing it for you this is not for you it's for Mbali I'm doing this for Mbali. Mbali is like a sister to me and you cannot be keeping things away from me for the sake of uzophazamisa ingane or something ayithathu late man uNomamkhize naye wachama neshumba semali from the community she went to the police station bamtshela ukuthi they are doing their best I'm sure Usibiya wherever he is doing his best that's what he does best what he does best is doing his best I don't know how he does the best or where he does the best kodwa njena nomadlodlo yasho ukuthi amaphoyisa ayesilese mfethu there's nothing that they can do they will tell you ukuthi they are doing their best bafana babo they are busy making sure ukuthi every corner is covered kanjani sola ngathola lo muntu has been gone for weeks ayizwa leyo nto Mamkhize was no community this one decided ukuthi sizohlanganisa lena and sibone nathi ukuthi senza kanjani washa keep isamba naye what's on top of the table ayibo so Uthandiwe nyalo keep imali Uma umkhize naye ukhipha imali bakwadlasha nabo bahlanganisele kwahlanganisa kona noma gwaza nayo ibhizinisi hlanganisa lokhu ahlanganisa kona. Kuthi hey, at least ayihlangane le ndaba. Abuye umkami to me and then the rest will follow. Sizobona ukuthi senza kanjani. Sizabona ukuthi what we going to do because what else? And Sanele doesn't know ukuthi uMbali is pregnant. And noMbali naye, I think she's doing a great job keeping it to herself. And kudos to Uphinda Shem for not saying anything for the baby. Yo, cause what uzama once wayithola we guys. I wonder. Like really, I'm giving the hands to Uphinda manje to say, you know what? Uyayibona ukuthi ikhona into engahambi kahle. Uyayibona ukuthi ikhona into engasile with this whole the plans. I feel like that's the reason why he's keeping this to himself. And I'm wondering if lo 5 million lona uNtanzi amfuna kwaMagwaza. Hey, wait guys, does that include Uphinda there? Are they including Uphinda laphayana kulo 5 million or lo 5 million owabo babili? I'm sure Uphinda nakawabuza ama question scared that if they tell him the truth, what is he going to do? Because sometimes you get scared of hearing the truth. Sometimes you get scared, but the question is, is Uphinda part of that 5 million now, or he's just making sure they get the 5 meter and they will leave him behind? Because Untanzi is capable. Asazi ngozamahlobo kodwa Untanzi is capable of leaving Uphinda behind. So Untanzi calls them Magwazas to say, we mfana Magwaza. Imali yami ngiyayithola kumbe njani? Uthi yena hayi imali. Sanele uthi imali ikhona. Uthi Untanzi, hayi. Time and the place. Mfana uthi uSanele no, time and the place ngamuzwa. Ngicela ukuzwa sithanda sami lapho ukuthi ngiyakhona ukusizwa yini efonini. After lokho siyakhuluma ukuthi kanjani. Bathi bamfaka efonini. Basunjani athi ngiyeza hayi Sanele hey Sanele athi ngiyeza uthi last week uthi uSanele ngiyeza ngizokulanda uthi angiyazi yeyi ungasambona uzama the eyes were like uma wathi ngiyakuthanda namathi ngiyakuthanda uzama bavutha amalanga mina I'm not even sure ukuthi uMbali uzobuyela guys ngendlela uzama amzonda ngakhona